Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make pav bhaji. For that we need 3 to 4 onions, tomatoes, capsicum, ginger garlic paste, potatoes, some cauliflower, fresh peas, coriander, lemon and some soaked dal. I've taken moong dal and masoor dal, 1 tablespoon each. We're also going to need pav bhaji masala, garam masala, Kashmiri red chili powder, amul butter, salt, oil and turmeric. Now we are going to take a pressure cooker and add the dals in it. Then we are going to add the vegetables. We are going to add the cauliflower in it. Now some tomatoes, not all of them but more than half of them. Some capsicum, some peas. These are fresh peas, you can also use frozen ones. Now let's pour some water. I'm adding 1 glass of water in this and I'm going to allow it to cook on the pressure cooker until 3 or 4 whistles. Now let's take a pan, add some oil. Let's add some butter in it. Once the butter is melted, we are going to add some ginger garlic paste in it. We're going to allow the ginger garlic paste to cook properly so that the rawness disappears. Let's add some onion in this, some finely chopped onion. We are going to keep some onion for garnishing as well. Just mix it well and then we are going to allow it to cook till it becomes pink. We had covered it and allowed it to cook for some time. Now we're going to add some tomatoes in this, the leftover tomatoes rather. So in total we have taken 4 tomatoes of medium size, and now the peas as well. Mix it well, then add some salt in it. Before salt, we'll just make sure we add all the veggies. We've added capsicum. I've added salt as per the whole sabzi, considering all the vegetables which we had added in pressure cooker as well as these vegetables. Now I'm adding turmeric powder. We're going to mix it well and let it cook for some time. You can see the oil has separated from the vegetables. And the tomatoes have also become mushier. Now we are going to add pav bhaji masala. I'm going to add 2 spoons of pav bhaji masala in this. You can see the brand I have used. If you want, you can try some other brands. Now I'm going to add 1 spoon of garam masala in this. Now I'm going to add the red chili powder in this. This chili powder isn't that spicy, but the color is really nice. Look at the beautiful color. It is looking so colorful. Here we go. So after steaming it for cooking it for almost 1 minute, all the masalas have cooked a bit. Now we will add some water to it so that the spices stop cooking and they won't burn, or they won't stick to the bottom of the pan. Till then we are going to crush or smash the boiled potatoes. Here we go. The whistle, so 3 to 4 whistles are done and the pressure was already released. Now we are going to add the smashed potatoes in this. And I'm going to mix all the steamed vegetables using the hand blender. If you don't have hand blender, you can use the traditional one, or you can simply use the mixer to get this paste smooth. You can, when you're using mixer, don't use don't blend all the paste. You can just take some part of it, maybe 25 to 30%, and blend it in the mixer, and then the rest of the part can be done using the traditional way. The hand blender makes the job very easy, isn't it? Now we are going to add that mixture in this tadka which we had prepared. Once it is added, mix it well and then check for the consistency. You can add some water if you think the bhaji is very thick. I think the bhaji is very thick. I'm going to add some water, and I have also tasted it. I think it needs some more masala and some more red color. So I'm going to mix the masala, 1 spoon of masala and 1 spoon of the chili powder in water, and I'm going to make a thick paste of it, and then I'm going to add it to this. If we add the powder, it can become lumpy, right? So here we go. I have added water and some coriander leaves in this so that it gets good fragrance of the coriander leaves. Here is the mixture of the PavBhaji masala and red chili powder and water. So this is going to make mixing easier. Now we are going to let it cook for some time. I'm just going to shift this to another stove. I've taken a pan. This is a cast iron pan, a traditional one. I have mixed oil, butter and some PavBhaji masala. I'm just going to keep it on the tawa so that the butter melts. You can also use microwave. And we are going to use this mixture, oil, butter and PavBhaji masala mixture, to roast the pav for the PavBhaji. I have used Britannia pav. However, you can use the one which you get locally. I'm just going to brush the mixture on the pav so that there is a bit of flavor of the PavBhaji masala and butter in it. We're going to let it be there, and so that they become crispy. We're just applying the same mixture from the other side of the pav. The bhaji is cooked well and is ready to be served. I'm just adding more coriander as I like coriander. I have served the plate with the pav bhaji and some onions, lemon and cucumber. Let's garnish the bhaji with some onions, coriander and Amul butter. Delicious lip-smacking pav bhaji is ready to eat. Enjoy! So thank you for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also see the other videos available on my channel. Let's eat the pav bhaji now. Do try the recipe and let me know if you liked it. Please add the comment in the description box below. Now I'm going to enjoy the pav bhaji. Bye bye.